Some of you are going to ask me what's best for me and what should I be wearing. Well, that depends. It depends on the functionality, depends on your needs. It depends on where you are in your life, depends on how good your health is, depends on how good your dental health is. Certainly, if I could put everybody into a roundhouse, a fixed bridge, where that's all they have to wear and they don't have to wear a denture, I would much rather do that. However, I do need to explain two things. Most of your teeth are all made out of zirconia. Your denture teeth are made out of a composite, out of a plastic. There's quite a difference. When we replace a single tooth to put on top of a crown, that single tooth is made out of zirconia. So what we've done now is we've made this roundhouse all out of zirconia. The only difficulty you have with a roundhouse that's made out of entirely zirconia and it's cemented in is that sometimes I cannot replace this. If you break something or this is dropped or you lose an implant, sometimes I have to refine the whole thing again in order to fit it back on. I have to remake that. However, there's a new material out. This is what's so great about the Shatkin material is we have a material called Zantex, which is beautiful. It's a composite material that fits onto the zirconia, and if you lose that one implant, we're able to come back at a later date, put another implant in, and refit this. So that can be redone without changing the whole roundhouse, the whole bridge, and we're able to put that back on and snap that back in your mouth. That's a real advantage. And they both have a difference in cost. The difference is this one's not quite as solid. You probably will love it, where this one, you won't get any movement at all.